Hey there, welcome back to your channel, Extreme RC Off-Roading. Today I have an exciting upgrade to share with you for the Traxxas TRX4M. If you own this fantastic little crawler, you might be familiar with the struggles of the stock drive shafts. They can be a real pain with their pins often coming off, causing frustration and limiting our use with the Traxxas TRX4M. But fear not, I found a solution. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the Injora metal drive shafts. A game-changer upgrade that will eliminate those issues with your Traxxas TRX4M. Let's dive right in. The drive shafts play a crucial role on transmitting power from the motor to the wheels. If you have experienced issues with the stock drive shafts like I have, you know how frustrating it can be. Those small pins seem to have a mind of their own, constantly falling off. That's why it's time for an upgrade. These are the Injora drive shafts that are specifically designed for the TRX4M. They are made of high-quality metal, which means they are made to last. With the Injora drive shafts, we can say goodbye to those pesky pins and welcome a reliable and durable solution. Now let's move on to the exciting part, installing our metal drive shafts. First and foremost, these drive shafts are known for their durability and reliability. With their metal construction, they can handle the demands of off-road sessions, giving us peace of mind. So say goodbye to those frustrating moments when the pins came off. The Injora drive shafts also enhance overall strength, allowing for improved power transfer to the wheels. This means better crawling performance and increased capability on challenging terrains. Now it's time to put the Injora drive shafts to the test. The Injora metal drive shafts provide enhanced stability, smoother power delivery, and improved control, allowing us to tackle obstacles with confidence. No more worrying about those pesky pins coming off and limiting our adventures. It's time to take our TRX4M to new heights. Thank you for joining me on this epic upgrade journey with the Injora metal drive shafts. If you're tired of dealing with the stock drive shafts and looking to unlock the full potential of your TRX4M, I highly recommend considering this upgrade. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel for more epic RC upgrades. Let me know in the comments below if you had any similar experiences with the stock drive shafts, or if you're considering the metal drive shafts for your own TRX4M. Well, that's it for today. Until next time.